Welcome, pen friends. Welcome. Welcome to the jungle. Hey, Larry here. And today is mail call day at Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. I'm Larry. And here's the package that I received from Federalist Pens. And that's Frank. That's the guy behind the scene that does all the packaging, the shipping, answering the phone, taking orders. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Little look-see. Are we ready? I'm ready. There's nothing like getting a package in the mail for me. It just brightens up my day. So, and it does come nicely wrapped, that's for sure. Well, Frank, here it is, my friend. And just in the nick of time, let me tell you why. When I do my letters to my pen pals, I only use one type of paper, Tomoe River paper. And yesterday, I finished my last letter, which I mailed all of them today. That was my last piece of paper of the Tomoe River paper. So, first thing to come out is the Tomoe River paper. Love this stuff. Now, I got a whole bunch more stuff. Just a bunch more stuff. And then Frank put in here some stuff. Okay, what I ordered. You know, when I talked to Frank about this particular notebook, we're talking about it, and I wanted to try it, so I bought it. It's Tomoe River paper with the 68 Gs. Now, I have used it before in the Pen Club, Portwood Pen Club, so I know what it's like, but it's been a while. But I thought, you know what? I do like the hardback, and the 68 Gs is good stuff. But my favorite is the 50, is that 52 Gs, I believe? Yeah. But this is good stuff, so I wanted to give it a try. So there it is. All right, now, what else did I get in here? Now, I had to get this. And I'll be talking more about the
Robert Oster Signature Fountain Pen Ink.
Yes, and it is the
Frankly Green.
Yeah, remember that, Frankly Green, and I will be talking more about this soon. A lot to talk about. And I ordered some samples, and get a card, and friends, Frank always put some blotter cards in there, which I can always use. And I got a bookmarker. It's a real nice one. Thank you, Federalist Pens and Paper, with this phone number. Really a nice marker. Cool. So it depends, you know, what you buy to receive different freebies. I guess you can put it that way, couldn't you? So, alright, so
we have Robert Oster Frankly Scarlet and Robert Oster Frankly Blue.
Alright, so here's some inks that I needed to try. Now, over at Frank's store, you get more for the buck when you get your sample ink. So you might want to check out Frank's website, Federalist Pens. He's got a lot going on there. So, Frank, thank you much. Now, let me set all this aside. We're not done yet. Here it is. I reached out to Frank to help a brother out. And Frank, my man, helped me out. And this box is an Esterbrook. Not just any Esterbrook, but it's a line of fountain pens that I like a lot. And of course, I will be reviewing what's in it soon. Let's open it up. Isn't it gorgeous? This to me is a beautiful hooded nib, gorgeous fountain pen. The converter. And I just can't wait to ink this baby up. Anything else in here? Probably not. Let me see. Ah, yes there is. And your little instruction book that tells you all about the pens and Esterbrook and the story. And so this is going to be fun. So thank you, Frank. Appreciate you, man. And this is the 300R Mineral Blue fountain pen. Isn't that right? Did I get all that right?
Yes.
All right, so this is number one. Make sure nothing in there. No spiders or snakes in there. No. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go to number two. Is when I just got in from the Netherlands. And when I say the Netherlands, it's Use Appelboom. Now, I've been shopping with Use for many, many years now. And Use is always very kind, considerate, thoughtful, and helps me through my journey on what I want, what I'm looking for. So, he's one of my favorites as well. You know, we all have favorites. So let's open this little jewel up and see what's inside. What do you think's inside? To all my viewers, what do you think's inside here? Alright, and again I will review this pen soon. Let's open her up. It's a beautiful day here in Fort Worth, Texas. Here we go. And these are really nice cookies, I would call them. They taste really good, nice and tasty. And as always, they gift wrapped their pens. Very nicely done with Appelboom. Okay. Now it's time for the adventure to begin. You know, I do like to support Appelboom as much as I can. So every year I try to get over there and order something. This year I've ordered 2 different pens, and this is the first one that's come in. I guess I'll just do that, okay? And tear this baby open. Oh, hey, tearing that. Oh, ouch. And here we go. This is the first of two. Would you do the honors, Mr. Nancy?
I believe that's in the Tuno 1911.
Yes. Cardboard sleeve. You know, when I saw this on the Apple Boom site, I was thinking, to be honest with you, I've never heard of the pen before. And I've seen it quite a few times on Apple Boom site. Always been reluctant to get the pen because, you know, I really haven't heard anything about this line of pens. But I finally decided to step out of the box, that safety zone, and try it. So let's take this little pen out of this box and see what it looks like in the hand. Well, I do like it. And here's your little instruction book. Now, isn't that pretty? That is good looking. I like that color. Look at that. That's really nice. So, here we go. Got a strap right here. And I guess it just opens like this. Wow. Look at that pen. Look at that.
That's nice.
Isn't that pretty? Wow. Look at this beautiful pen. Wow. Has the logo here on the clip. Gorgeous to die for pen. Wow. Beautiful nib. With the logo on the nib. Really nicely done. Medium nib. And it does come with a converter. Just gorgeous fountain pen. Just gorgeous. Well, friends, that's going to wrap it up for now. Okay? And I'm expecting another package. I just got word coming in today, so I can't wait for that to get here because I've been waiting for the other one for quite a while. So, that's going to wrap it up, my friends. Thank you for joining me on Mail Call today at Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Until my next mail call, next review, God bless, be safe, and I'll be talking about this ink soon. God bless you. Peace. Love you guys. Rock and roll is here to stay. Wash them hands. And as always, don't text and drive. Bye.